Okay, I'm going to show you one of my secret baits that I use to catch kokanee. And I made a mold. I have 3 molds. There's this one. There's 2 different things in here. There's this one. It all has the same. And this in here is a different kind of a mold. And this is, so we're going to show you how I do it. Now inside, this is, if you want to learn how to make these, you can find a lot of YouTube. We're going to pour these. We'll put this wood back on. Put our rubber bands back on. Okay. So to mix this, we use an epoxy. This is epoxy I use. We have to mix 1 part of this. This is part A. We mix 1 part of this. And then we have our microbloom. So we got 3 cups. And we're going to mix these 2 cups right here together. We'll take our part B, and we're going to pour right there now. You need to shake these up really good. I forgot to shake that one. I shook it last night. So we put this right here and we're going to match these up. There we go. Got the same amount. Set that aside. We got our microbloom. And so we're gonna put, and so right there. So we got all 3 of them are the same. Now we want to put some glow in there. So this is glow powder. You put about that much glow powder in here. And that's pink. We want a little bit of green. This is a green. We can make a whole bunch of different colors. We're not going to put very much green. Green glows a lot longer than pink. So put just about that much green in there, and that's going to help it glow better. So we take this, and I used to stir that up. Mix it pretty good. Now we have to be really fast when we mix those 2 epoxies together. We don't have a lot of time. We only have like 2 minutes to pour it. It'll set up hard, solid in 10 minutes. After 3 minutes, you can't work with it. So we try to do it in 2 minutes. So we're mixing our glow powder in with this micro bloom. Okay, there. So now we have to be fast. We're gonna stir this for 1 minute, and then we're going to pour it. So we'll put that part in, put this part in, and we stir it a little bit. We dump this in. We count to about 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And now we're going to pour this into here. This has to be really thin so it goes down. Go back. Okay, there's one done. We're going to do this one here. I might not have mixed enough to put in there, but we'll see. I'm going to pour this into here. And just squeeze it and let that set. There's two. We got enough to do maybe one here. So I don't use this one a lot. Kind of work that down, get the air out. Okay, now we're going to let them set for 10 minutes, and then then I'll open them up and I'll show you what they look like. This here is what the finished products are like. These, I have, we put beads on here, and our leader is anywhere from 18 to 26 inches. But I love these things. They catch a lot of kokanee. You can see I have kind of different colors here. There's a green and pink. And here's one that's all green. And you can see I put different beads. And they work. Now they float. Now here's some I made last night. They're unfinished. And I sand them down. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, so let's open this up and see what we have. So this is the first one. leaks a little bit here. So we take our rubber bands off. Take our wood off. And we pull this apart. So they came out pretty good. This one, so that's what it looks like. Just break that off right there. We'll set it aside. Pull these others out. Kind of break them up open a little bit. So this stuff just peels off really easy. What we do is we just sand that down. If I want to paint some more stuff on, I will. So that's the one. Now we're going to open this one up. This mold's a lot easier to make than these split ones. And so okay, this one takes a lot more sanding to get it right. This cuts off really easy. And all of these catch kokanee. This one here, I hardly use it at all, but they work. We'll see how they came out. Pull it apart. This one here didn't come out quite right, but it works because we'll drill a hole right through here. These here work pretty good for catching trout too. So that's it. I'm going to. These are really light. They float in water. And sometimes they can break. But these are my secret lure to catching kokanee. My friends get upset with me that fish with me because they don't like me telling all my secrets. But not a lot of people like to put in this kind of time. They would a lot rather just buy something. And it's fun doing this. Thanks for watching.